Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're going to share a DIY hack to fix plastic pieces. Guys, there's several ways that you can fix plastic. You can do plastic welding, you can do epoxy. We're going to do kind of a poor man's fiberglass. So stay with us. Okay, so I've got my tripod slash ring light. The little spot where my camera hooks onto broke. See, they're supposed to look like this, but it broke. The end of it popped off, and now I'm going to super glue it. So I super glued this base into it that I can then just screw in the bottom of the camera into that, and it fit. But I'm going to have to repair this. I'm going to repair it with some paper towels and some Harbor Freight super glue. Okay, so we're going to put some super glue down, and then we're going to start laying that paper towel down, kind of like we're doing fiberglass. I am putting more than I should, but that's okay. I need to soak through the paper towel. And I cut the paper towel into little strips. So we're going to start laying it down. Got a chopstick I'm going to use. Look at it, just soak that up. Now, have I done this before? No. But in theory, does it seem like it'll work? Sure does. And if it gets me another couple hundred videos out of this tripod, we'll be okay. Now, I could go spend the $45 and buy a new one of these, but why? I'm such a cheapskate. I'm going to put some more juice on here. Just be careful. I am going to super glue myself to this. This thing is definitely not going to go anywhere. It used to be removable. You'd be able to take it on and off. I don't care about that. It's got 3 positions. I only need to use the one. And I need it to just function. This is the behind the scenes stuff that you don't ever get to see. And I normally don't show this sort of stuff, but I had to do it. I was in here, and I'm trying to commit to being a little bit more transparent about everything that goes on in the shop slash courthouse. Almost touched that with my finger, and that would have never left. Like I said before, I've already glued this guy down, so it's there. I just want to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And you guys may be saying, well, Eric, that looks crappy. Looks like you super glued some paper towels to your tripod. Yep, that's exactly what I did. And if it works, can it be wrong? And like I said, if it gets me another couple hundred videos out of this tripod, I've had it for a long time, so it's probably got 300 plus videos into it. So let's use the money to buy motorcycle parts as opposed to buying more tripods. How do you feel about that? Boy, I'm trying to stick my finger to this thing. Let me cut those a little bit more. How many guys keep Q-tips in your shop? I do, because you never know when you're going to need them. Not for your ears, but for cleaning out little spots. Let me put some more juice on there. I'm using a whole thing of... This one is done anyway. I went to open it and it ripped the tip off. See if I can get some more out of it. Yeah. It would work better if it was the liquid and not the gel. It would soak in a little quicker. Boy, I am trying to stick my finger on there. This thing's got to work. I'm only keeping going because I have more paper left. This is the last piece. Come on. There we go. There you go. Somebody's driving down the road. Neighbor dog. Our early warning system. All right, that looks pretty good. You have to admit, that looks really good. So we'll let this stuff dry really quick, and we'll be done because we don't want to accidentally touch that and then never be able to stop touching it. So let's wait. Then we'll add some color to it. Okay, one of the main reasons why I keep Q-tips around is because I can now use them as a paintbrush, and I can touch up my. Again, touch up my repair that nobody but me is going to see. I didn't wait for it to finish drying. I figured it didn't matter. Super glue is going to dry. Figured it would help. There we go. This sucker's looking good. It's looking brand new. This is a quality repair. And by quality repair, I mean it's different than what it was before. But from back here, you can't even see it. Let me put a little bit more on it. A little bit more paint. Like I said, quality repair. Yep. Okay, because I'm impatient, we're going to go ahead and use the heat gun to dry this paint. Is it a perfect repair? Yeah. If it holds my camera, it'll be good. Okay, let's go ahead and attach the camera, and it just screws into the bottom. And here's my camera. It's just a GoPro with a Volta battery pack. The mic's hooked up to it, so now all we gotta do is screw it in. There we go, easy peasy. Perfect. So guys, there you have it. Kind of a quick and easy hack. Garage hack. I guess you could use it to repair any kind of plastic. Let me know what your hacks are down below. How you would repair plastic, because I could have done this a couple of different ways, but I chose this way. So guys, as always, thanks for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 20,000, and as soon as we hit it, we're giving away that amazing banner. So I think we're just at like 400 left to get there. So if you haven't hit subscribe yet, go ahead and do that. And if you have, cheers. Thank you so much. And you guys have a great day.